As you may know, a good broker is required to access the global financial markets. To enjoy the benefits of our Wayfarer service, you need to register an account with our proprietary broker. Their track record is excellent, and they accept non-U.S. clients. This tutorial will guide you through the sign-up process. 1. Start by adding the requested details. Then check your email for a one-time password. 2. Copy the password from your email to the requested field on the website. 3. For any account to become active, your identity must be confirmed. Click on Continue Account Setup and follow the cues. 4. Once in, it is recommended to use a smartphone to upload your documents. If you use a national ID, it would negate the need to provide a proof of address document. When your documents are uploaded, wait for them to be approved. Upon approval, your account becomes active and can be funded. Five. Create an account by clicking Live Account. Copy the recommended settings on the screen and set a password that's different from your main account password. 6. Keep these safe and at hand for later. If you encounter issues or need clarification, reach out to the broker's live chat for help.